Every generation has a technology that changes the rules forever. For my parents, it was the internet. For the next generation, it was the smartphone. And now, it's AI. And when we thought the mid-journeys, the runways, the ideograms, the image Gen 4s of this world were impressive, Google quietly dropped something that might kill entire industries overnight. It's called Nano Banana, officially Google Gemini 2.5 Flash image. And after testing it myself, I can honestly say this is one of the scariest, most impressive AI updates I have ever seen. Forget stock photos, forget hiring models, forget expensive studios. Because now, with a single snapshot, you can create ad campaigns, fashion shoots, and even cinematic studios in seconds. Today, I'll show you how it works and why every creator, every brand, freelancer needs to pay attention right now. For years, AI image generators like Midjourney and Stable Diffusions blew us away. But they had one major issue, which is the consistency. Try putting your own product into an AI scene and see what happens. The letters get mangled, the logo disappears, the product starts looking warped and distorted. Try keeping the same person across multiple edits. Forget it. The AI is going to give you different faces every time. And this is where Nano Banana comes in. It changes everything. In fact, I call it the consistency machine because I have never seen anything like this before. Same subject, different settings, infinite variations. And here is the tool, Google AI Studio. Select Nano Banana, upload a photo, and boom, your world changes. To prove it, let me take you to some practical real-world examples that will normally take thousands of dollars and weeks of production. Let's go. So I started with the simplest test, a picture of a soda bottle. You can see the picture here. So we are going to be giving it a prompt, which I've already copied. So the prompt is put this bottle on a marble table inside a luxury rooftop bar at night. So let's run into Nano Banana and let's see the magic. So it's running. It takes a little bit of time, but it's free anyway, so you can just take your time. But I'm running it through Google AI Studio. You can also run it through. You can also run Nano Banana through OpenArt and every other thing. You can see it generated it in 18.3 seconds. So it's not even that slow. So let's view the picture. Wow, look at it. Look at keeping the same picture, and it gave us in the exact same place that I want it. So now I want the same bottle in another place entirely. So we're going to use another prompt. So let's go copy another prompt. Then we are going to put the same bottle in another place entirely. So let's go back here. Yes, so let's put the same bottle. So same bottle, picnic bucket at sunset. So it's running it. You can see. Let's see how many seconds this is going to take, since the first one took just only 18 seconds. So we are waiting for it. Wow. Wow. This did it in 15.8 seconds. This is the picture. Wow. Isn't this impressive? Isn't this impressive? So now let's keep the same bottle in another scene entirely. Let's keep the same bottle in another scene entirely. So let's go back to here and copy another prompt. All right, so this time, same bottle frosted with condensation sitting inside the ice cooler at a party. So we are waiting for it to generate. I mean, Google outdid itself with this one, because consistency without changing a single thing on the picture. Wow, look at what it generated for us. Wow, you can see it, guys, the same picture in 3 entirely different places. So 3 totally different campaigns. Normally that's 3 sets, 3 photographers, 3 invoices, but with Nano Banana, 1 photo, 1 tool, and you get your results. How cool is that? So now let's test people. We're gonna start with a picture of this guy, because one thing I've noticed previously is that humans tend to be distorted when you are changing them from one place to another, but Nano Banana seems to have solved that issue, and that is very impressive. So let's use this guy. So I've copied the first prompt and the action I want him to do. So let's go and copy our prompts, and let's just say, okay, I want to make him sit in a modern office and typing on a laptop. So let's run it to Nano Banana. And our result is here. Look at this. This guy. Now look at him in the office typing on a laptop. The same guy, no changes. He still has the glasses, he still has the same clothes, but now he's typing in the office that we want him to type in. So now let's let him do another action entirely. So now I want that man to be hiking in the mountains. That same man. So I want him hiking on the mountains. So same face, but hiking in the mountains and wearing an outdoor gear. Let's run it to Nano Banana. Let's see what it's going to give us. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. The same guy, he still has the same face with the glasses, but now he's no more in a suit, but he's in a hiking gear. Look at that. How cool and impressive is that? Now let's do one more example with this guy, because I'm showing you the beauty of this thing. It's so groundbreaking that I just can't get enough of it. So now let's turn him into a superhero, into a sci-fi like Star Wars and the likes. So now let's turn him into a superhero, turn him into a hero of a sci-fi movie, neon posters glowing behind him. So let's run it to Nano Banana. Wow, isn't this a cool superhero? Look, it already gave us the picture of him as the hero of a sci-fi movie, neon lights glowing behind him. In fact, it even gave us a name, Neo Genesis. That sounds like a cool name. So you can see the same guy, no changes. It just made his hair look like Neo of the Matrix. It gave us Neo Genesis, the future awaits. That sounds like a cool movie title. So you can see, guys, for influencers, entrepreneurs, or faceless YouTubers who want brand consistency, Nano Banana is a complete game changer. Okay, now let's push it with objects. I grabbed a picture of this cute orange cat. Look at him, isn't he cute? And we are going to give it a prompt on where we want this cat to be and what we want it to do. So I already copied the prompt. So I want to put the cat on a velvet throne inside a medieval castle. This cat on a velvet throne inside a medieval castle. So let's go. Look at the cat. Look at the king cat. You can see it on the velvet throne. This same orange cat. Look at it. So now let's give it another prompt. And I want this cat doing another thing entirely. So I want the cat on the beach. So I want the cat wearing sunglasses and chilling on the beach, towel with palm trees. Let's run it to Nano Banana. Look at this cat. Look at it. Let's call this cat let's call it Todd. Yes, Todd the orange cat. Look at it chilling on the beach, wearing the sunglasses. It's still the same orange cat. So now let's give it a final prompt, and I want it let's say that same cat should be in a cyberpunk alley with neon lights everywhere. So let's try that as our last prompt for objects and animals. So the cat has left the beach now and is on a cyberpunk alley with neon lights everywhere. You can see the same orange cat. Let's zoom it on it so we can see it properly. The same orange cat on that alley. So you can see it. So every time we iterate the prompt, it's still the same cat, still the same orange cat, but the environment shifts completely. It's like bending reality around one subject instantly. Now here is where things get insane. Fashion. I uploaded a plain selfie of this guy in plain clothes. He's a Nigerian guy, but he is not real. In case any of you comes and say, oh, you are using my picture. So this is an AI picture. So of this guy, and we're going to be giving it some iterations of what we want the guy to be wearing and where we want him to be. So let's start with the first prompt. So we want to swap his clothes. This is plain clothes. So we want to swap it into a black tuxedo. Look at him. The same guy. Now he's at a fashion show in a black tuxedo, still keeping the same pose. Wow. How cool is that? Now I want him doing another thing entirely. Now he's wearing a streetwear with a gold change, standing at a rooftop at sunset. Let's run it. Wow, look at him. That same guy is now wearing a streetwear with a gold chain, rooftop at sunset. The exact same thing I want it to do, it is doing it. And guess what? It is still keeping the same pose with his hands on his head. So now let's make it do the final thing I want it to do. I want it is rocking a designer on a runway fashion with the spotlight on stage. Let's see if Nano Banana can get this one, but I'm sure it's going to get it. So it gets everything. I mean, you can clearly see the same guy now on the runway with the spotlight on him. Still the same guy in the first two images that we generated. So he's now in the runway. He's now on the runway now with the spotlight on him. You can see him looking cool as hell. The same guy. So this is what Runway started. But Nano Banana supercharges it. Imagine influencers, small businesses, or even fashion designers being able to prototype entire collections without buying clothes or hiring models. Or maybe you even have the clothes already. Nano Banana is going to do that for you. All you have to do is put the clothes, upload the clothes, and upload the model you want to use. And it's going to be giving you the clothes and the models in different poses in anywhere you want them. Look at how much that is going to save you. This is where it's heading now. So here's the truth. This isn't just about cool AI tricks. This is about cost, this is about speed, and this is about creativity. With Nano Banana, one selfie can become a business campaign, one iPhone snapshot can become a billboard, and one idea can become a story told across the entire world. It's exciting and terrifying at the same time, because while this unlocks countless opportunities for creators, it also threatens entire industries from photography to advertising. In fact, let me just say the entire media industry. And here's the takeaway. You can fight it or you can use it. I already know which side I belong to. That's why on this channel, Lazy AI Side Hustles, I show you how to work faster, earn smarter, and live life on your own terms with AI. Hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to share, because this is just the beginning. The AI war has just started and you definitely don't want to be left behind.